Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we will see how you can import CSV file in ASP.NET MVC. So we have this small application here and we will also provide you the code, so don't you worry about that part. So in this what we will see is we have this CSV file here. So we have this CSV file and it has some data here, and we will try to import that into the data table and then show on the UI. So that what we will do. So first of all you have to provide the CSV path so you can have that dynamic. So for this tutorial I have just added that static here. Okay, and then this CSV importer class is a class that I have created here uh, in the model section. So in this I have this method for reading the CSV file, and in this what we are using is text field parser class. Now this is available inside the Microsoft Visual Basic namespace, and this will be able to use the import CSV. So ignore some noise is coming from background, so ignore that noise. uh, so here guys we are using text field parser, and it you have to specify which delimiter is you are using, and so we have specified the comma here, and then it will be separating the data, and then we are adding the data in the data table. Okay, so here we are adding the headers, and here we are adding the rows in the data table. Okay, so now we will return back the data table and it will be stored in this data table, and then we are returning this on the view, and on the view we have used a loop to show the data. Okay, so this is a simple code that we are using. um, so you can also find us on or WhatsApp if you want to join us for future video updates. So for getting the code, you can actually um, go to our official website. We will also add a direct link of the article. So here is how to import CSV in ASP.NET MVC, and here you will be able to download this and check the code. Okay, so we will just run this now. So you can see here the CSV file path is coming, and then we are passing that to the read CSV method, and here it will use text field parser and then read the data. So the first row will be header row, and it has got all the headers which we will add in the data table. Okay, and then it will continue reading the data here in the while loop and add all those in the data table rows. Okay, so we will just continue this here. So we can see here that it has all the data in the data table, and we are now returning that to the view and showing on the UI. So you can see this is the data which we imported from the CSV, and you can also save that data in the database as per your requirement. So this is how you can read CSV data in ASP.NET MVC. So you can get the code from the link which we will add in the description, and let us know if you face any kind of issue, and if you think that works for you, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. So thank you guys.